Hi everyone, it is the 11th of October 2024. I wanted to give you a quick update on the new case that I upgraded, right? So if you guys remember when I was building inside the new case, I had a little bit of a problem with the motherboard, and the problem I have with the motherboard is that it wouldn't all the standoffs wouldn't line up, right, with the screws. And I figured out what it was. It was this thing. There was a problem with this. So back in the day, I bought a motherboard, but it didn't come with the this back plate, right? The I/O shield. And if you look over here, I don't know if you guys can see, it's dented, right? It's like bent. These are bent, and it shouldn't be bent, right? It shouldn't be bent. Now I could have bent them back, but I think it's also cut wrong, right? I think they're cut wrong also, right? So what I did is I bought a new one from China, and I put it in just now, and it seems to done the job. So yeah, so I got a new back plate for the case, and now I put all the screws in the motherboard, all 5 of them, and it works now. So that's what I pretty much wanted to tell you guys. I'm throwing this one out, obviously. But, yeah. Make sure when you buy a motherboard that it comes with the back plate, because all motherboards have different, cutouts. But this one, I think, was done with a... this is even crooked. If you look at it, if you look at this, it's not even straight. If you look at this thing, it's not even straight. It's like crooked. So I think this was cut out with a laser thing on a 3D cutting machine or something. You know what I mean? Like a laser machine, and it wasn't done well. So I bought a brand new one, like I said, from China. It took about 3 weeks to get here, but then I put it in, and everything matches up now. All the screws match up. Okay? I'm about to go outside. I want to go do some shopping. I want to get some chopped meat. I got to get some cheese. I want to get some onions and whatever else I can pick up, and some sour cream I want to pick up, because I want to make a really good meal tomorrow. I want to make a meal tomorrow. I can't make a meal today because I'm fasting. It's Yom Kippur, and I fast once a year. So I'll make the meal tomorrow, but I really do want to go shopping today. Okay, guys? Hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.